Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the concept of type definition in C. This is one facility given by the programming language to the user to define their own data type. Whatever the data the user wants, they can define their own data type using the type def. So here we will see a definition. A C programming language provides a keyword called type def, which we can use to give a type a new name. For example, suppose I am going to use a type, for example, type def unsigned char byte. That means here unsigned char is one defined data type where we have to use this to declare this as any variable as an unsigned char. So instead what I am telling is here type def unsigned char byte. Then what I can do is inside the program, while writing the program, instead of using this definition unsigned char, I can use this definition byte because we have already defined the type of unsigned char as byte. So this is one way the type definition helps to define a new type by the user. And the second case you can see here, this type definition helps to define a structure. And the structure, the syntax of the structure is actually struct is the keyword, and then we are having the members. So the members have different types. One member may be int, one member may be char or float, etc. So any collection of members can be inside the structure. So now here this type definition, now here it is used to define the struct. So type def space struct. Struct is the keyword, and then open brace all the members we have typed here, and then finally we are closing the bracket and we are giving the type name. So now here this group of members of this struct data type is defined as type name, the given name given by the user using this type def keyword. Let us see the example here. Now we are defining a type definition using to define the structure called books. So books is the user defined structure name. To define this structure we are using the type def keyword. So how we are defining the structure is the book, and the book contains a character which is a title, and then another character type that may be an author of some 50, a string, and then char of subject of some length, and then book ID is an integer. All this will be collectively called as a book. Okay, so now books is the structure name and book is one instant name. This is different from this because this is the name of the structure, and then whatever the name we define here, this is the name of the instance of the structure. I can give us here book 1, book 2, book 3, otherwise A, B, C. That means all these instances follows the definition given by the type def inside the structure definition. So this is one example how the type def can be used to define the user defined function. There is also one more application where this type def helps the user to define the pointers. So type definition can be given an alias name to pointers also. Here is an example in which the type definition is used to declare a pointer. So how it is used? I am using this type def as the keyword, and then int is the pointer, int is the data type of the pointer variable. What is the pointer variable here? Int pointer. So now actually what this statement says is int pointer is the variable name which follows the integer pointer, and since I have given as type definition, whatever the type of this int pointer will be defined for the instances of those variables. So what does it mean is here I have given as type def, it is an integer pointer and the name is given as int ptr. Next line I am giving as int ptr x y z, means x is one pointer integer type and y is another integer pointer variable and z is another integer pointer variable. Instead of individually typing every pointer as pointer x, pointer y, pointer z, this is one convenience where we can use the type definition operator to just define one variable as a pointer, and that can be used as a name to define the instances of those variables. Okay, so that's all. These are the way the type definition helps the user to define the necessary data types as the user wishes. And thanks for watching.